Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by launching Pages and creating a document. This gets you straight into editing. Choose blank for full control or a template to save time, and import docx or PDF when you need compatibility. Once done, make sure iCloud Drive is enabled for Pages so your document syncs and you can resume on other devices. You'll see formatting controls appear automatically. Use them to set margins, fonts, and styles before adding content to keep layout consistent. You'll now format and build the body of your document using the format bar. Tap any text block to change font, size, color, and alignment. Next, tap the plus button to insert images, shapes, tables, charts, and links. These elements make content readable and engaging. For long documents, use styles and headers to create a navigable structure and add sections for different layouts. As you work, use the ruler and guides to control spacing and ensure headers stay consistent across pages. Finish by sharing or exporting your document. Tap Share to invite collaborators, send a copy, or export as PDF, Word, or EPUB depending on your audience. Once shared, you can track changes if collaboration is enabled. Make sure comments and edits are resolved before final export. If you encounter formatting glitches, first check styles and margins, then restore a previous version from iCloud backups. If necessary, reapply the intended style to problem sections to fix layout inconsistencies quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.